What's up guys, it's me Prasad with Patak here again, your own Indian consumer. Today another Flipkart purchase. We have a WD external hard drive here. This is WD Ultra Passport Ultra, which is a mini version of the trademark passport drive that they usually had. I've already opened the box. That's what I generally do to check the products that come from Flipkart. This was the receipt, the payment receipt that I got along with it. The product was nice, very nicely bubble wrapped. I'm yet to open the seal. So keeping all these things aside, now one thing that I've noticed on Flipkart was this product a month back was 1,000 rupees costlier than what I got it for. I've got it for around 3,999 odd rupees, which is around 4,000 rupees. But about a month back it was for around 5,000 rupees. That time I purchased Element, WD Element, which was a much cheaper version, but they are providing now my Passport Ultra in the same rate. So one thing that I can suggest you guys is, whichever product that you want to buy, you can add in your wish list, and as the prices reduce, if there are any offers on it, you get notifications of it. That's what I got, and I ordered the product. So it saves a lot of money. Opening the seal, here you see a Flipkart seal. This thing I'm seeing for the first time. This is something really new. Nice initiative by Flipkart. Now I've earlier seen many unboxing videos of the same, and one thing that I notice here is a missing cover. Now this is a very unusual thing on Flipkart's part. Although the product was sealed, I should get a case. I should get a leather or some material case, which I find missing in this box here. Even though it is sealed from here too. So I don't know if this is a mistake done by WD itself or Flipkart or the local retailers out there. But this is a thing which I'll definitely let Flipkart know about it, and I think they should assist me with the same. Now we have the product. This is the LED. This product comes with a 3.0 USB jack, which makes the data transfer really quick. Now it has a very nice texture. The dotted design seems very premium. I'll also compare this drive with my Element, because I feel the dimensions and all things, the weight and everything is much more same. So I'll do that comparison as well. And what happens about the case, the missing case, I'll definitely let you know. If any one of you have experienced the same thing regarding this drive from any of your Flipkart purchases or any other purchases, do let me know in the comment section. Well, this was it. For more videos and more Flipkart purchases, do subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, previously I had mentioned about the missing case, the material case that I told you about, which is normally retailed in other countries. But I think here in India they are providing this different packaging altogether. They are giving you this blue colored box. Whereas in other countries you're seeing normally this white colored box with multiple color variants on it. So this is a different thing, different packaging, and in the budget rate. So I think this is the packaging they give you generally. And here also, if you see carefully on the box, it is mentioned the contents, the portable hard disk, USB cable, WD smart software, and a quick installation guide. That's it. They have never and nowhere mentioned about the case. So for me, saying it to be missing is wrong on my part. And if you're getting the same contents, it is the standard thing. You should assume that. Well, that's it. Thank you.